Welcome to Study Loop.
So for this question, the U-shaped wire jumps up because of the force due to magnetic field, and that force F acts vertically upwards if you use the right hand rule, and that F has the magnitude of F is equal to ILB, where I is the current through the wire, L is the length of the wire, and B is the magnetic field. So here I can remove the vector sign here, considering that the force is upward. Okay, now Uh, the length of the wire is given, that is 20 cm, so 0.2 meters. Magnetic field is given, that is 0.1 Tesla, right? And I current is not given, so let me write this as I. So this is 0.02 I, right? Now the force on the wire is upwards, so let M is the mass of the wire, so let A be the acceleration on the wire. So MA equals to 0.02 I. Since the wire was initially at rest and the acceleration was uniform because the force is uniform, so M is equal to, you can write from the equation of motion, V upon T. A will be equal to V upon T, 0.02 I. So mv is equal to 0.02. Now what is it? It is current into time, that is charge, so q, right? So that is what we have to find out. So charge q is equal to mv by 0.02. Now we know the mass, but we don't know the velocity at which it jumps up. Initially there is no velocity, so the kinetic energy half mv squared is equal to 0 initially, and as it reaches to the top, it will have the maximum potential energy. That kinetic energy is turned into potential energy. So half mv squared is equal to mgh. So as we give the pulse, this wire gets kinetic energy that is equal to half mv squared, suppose, right? And as it reaches at the top, this kinetic energy will reduce to 0 and it will have potential energy mgh. So from here you can find out what is V, the velocity, initial velocity that we have given to the wire. So V is equal to root under twice gh. Now plug in these values here. So mass m, what is the mass here? So the mass of the wire is given, right? So let me find that out here. Okay, what is the mass of the wire given? Well, no, we don't need mass. Yeah, we need mass. So what is mass? It should be, okay, it's 10 gram. I couldn't find that because they were in different lines. So mass m is given as 10 grams. So let me write that here, 0.01 kg. And what is velocity? Root under twice g is 9.8, and what is the height that it jumps up to? That is 3 meters upon 0.02. So this will give me 3.83 coulomb, and hence we found out the impulse that was given to the wire. This is the solution for this question. Thank you for